Hey everyone, want to add multiple data sources in Looker Studio? In this video, I'll show you how to connect and manage multiple data sources step by step. Yeah, using multiple data sources helps you combine information from different platforms and create more powerful dashboards and reports. First, open your web browser and go to Looker Studio. Sign in with your Google account and open an existing report or create a new one. Make sure you have access to the data sources you want to connect. Next, open your report and click the resource menu at the top. From the menu, choose Manage Added Data Sources. This section allows you to view and control all data connections used in your report. Now click the Add a Data Source button. Looker Studio will show a list of available connectors that you can use. Choose the platform or service where your data is stored. You can connect sources like Google Sheets, Google Analytics, Search Console, Google Ads, BigQuery, and many other supported services. After selecting a connector, follow the setup steps to authorize access and choose the specific account, file, property, or dataset you want to connect. Once the connection is complete, click Add to Report. Your new data source will now be available alongside your existing sources. You can repeat this process to add additional data sources to the same report. Adding multiple sources allows you to create dashboards that combine different types of information. After adding multiple sources, you can use each source separately in different charts or blend data together when you need to compare information from multiple platforms. Make sure each data source is working correctly by checking the available fields, metrics, and dimensions before creating your visualizations. So proper setup helps prevent missing or incorrect data in your reports. When everything is ready, customize your charts, apply filters, and organize your dashboard to display the most useful insights. And that's how you add multiple data sources in Looker Studio. By connecting different platforms, you can build detailed reports that give you a complete view of your data. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.